Hey Steve, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I hope we got the email correct. Thank you to your company for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. The reason we've contacted your company was because we've noticed that in Mesa, Arizona, there's a high search volume for the services that you offer, in this case, pest controls. It's a great opportunity where you can optimize your website. With that optimization, you bring in more traffic onto your website. And I'll show you how to do that with this video. In this video, I'll audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. Also, it'll give you a better understanding as to why your competitors are being found instead of your company. In this video, I'll be going over 3 things you can do today to help bring in more work, or traffic, I should say. The 3 categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Steve. It's a great website. All the links seems to be working just fine. The navigation is fairly simple. You don't have a lot of pages and you don't have a lot of content. If you're trying to optimize your website, you're going to need more content. Typically, you would like to see around 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance and the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. If you have more content, of course, you're going to appear as an expert inside Google. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, Steve, are pretty much words or phrases that end users enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, pest controls. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search result. Believe it or not, Google spiders will actually, sniff out all the keywords, will crawl onto your HTML code behind the scenes of your website, sniff out all the good keywords, and place you in the rankings. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into RevRefs here. This is a paid tool, of course. This is a great platform to have to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. Currently, you have 0 for keywords, traffic. There's no traffic going onto your website. Referring domain 0, backlink 0, DR and UR at a 0. So you have no anything going for you behind the scenes of your website. Usually, I'll compare your to one of your competitors, but we'll jump over to your competitors. But before we do that, the DR, let me explain. The DR and the UR rating is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings are through backlinks and citations. A backlink, Steve, is pretty much a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website. All right, so I'm sure you've seen where you'll stumble across a paragraph and there's a highlighted text. You could click on that text or word or keyword, and it'll send you to a different website. That's pretty much what a backlink is. However, be very careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. If you go with a backlink that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that's just going to hurt your website. So just be careful on that, okay? Going back to your Arabs here rankings, you currently don't have anything. I wonder if it's a new website. You probably just purchased the website. However, let's jump onto one of your competitors here. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. Defense, pest controls. You'll notice they do have a lot more text. They have some text here. They have optimized images, and they do have interlinking, which is great for SEO, search engine optimization. More text here, so you get the idea. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they have over 2,000 keywords. They have over 1,000 people jumping onto their website organically with specific keywords, and I'll show you in just a second. Referring domains 170, backlinks over 1,000. The DR 2.9 and the UR 15. they are going down in the rankings, so that's not a good sign. But they are having, going up and down in regards to the traffic of their website. For a citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. I'm sure you're familiar with Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. That's pretty much what a citation is. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter here at a 1:1 ratio. It just gives you a better boost. It gives you more relevance inside of Google when comparing to another website. Just keep that in mind. 1:1 ratio is good practice. Looking at their keywords here, just so you could have an understanding, this is what they have. So this is a good keyword, pest control. This is a buyer intent keyword, pest control Mesa, Arizona. Approximately 400 people are searching for your services with this keyword. So this is a good keyword to have inside your website, your optimized website, I should say. Let's go for another one, Mesa Pest Control, 200 people. Again, Mesa Control. I didn't mean to do that, I apologize, but you get the idea. So just imagine these 400 people are finding you instead. That's the whole point of optimizing your website. That's the whole point of search engine optimization, is to get more traffic. And this is exactly how you get more traffic. All right, Steve, this is what I have for you at this time. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. If you're in a position where you can't handle more work or more, more jobs, let me know that so I won't get to send you these annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Steve. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.